Meaning of infer.
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 Infer. The word infer means to deduce or conclude something based on evidence or reasoning. It often involves making an educated guess or drawing a logical conclusion. When we infer, we use the information we have to come to a specific understanding or interpretation of a situation or concept. Inferencing is an important skill in both reading and critical thinking, as it allows us to make connections and draw meaning beyond what is explicitly stated. Essentially, to infer is to use our brainpower to make sense of the world around us.